Pasta's a good thing to learn how to make, even if you like pasta salads.
Let's go.
Pasta salads. She's free off.
Yeah. You waiting? So I should not swim.
You want to go right now, jackass? I ain't talking to you. I honked the horn because she's sitting there f***ing texting.
No, she was not. She was sitting there talking.
Rednecks.
Turn right.
What is the enforcement authority here? And this one, Donation has exposed more. The border shutdown authority has limits on how many days it can be in place, and its allowable use drops.
You almost hit us.
Sure, like I wouldn't have made an Auschwitz. I wouldn't have done that. What am I going to do with an Auschwitz? Auschwitz is now one of those where you're like, it was the times, you know? It was a horrible thing, obviously.
Should have been focused, but as he stood at the starting line of the big race, all he could think of was Sally. He snapped out of his daydream to find the race had started without her. As
Oh, what the? Criminy. Whoa! One asshole.
Oh my God. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Why would you do that?
You wouldn't.
Whoa! Jesus.
Well, I'm not saying that discourse on Reddit's the best, but it's so much better because people can downvote things.
I believe. Oh man!
But
But
Formula
Yoink.
One finally got a contract with Mercedes-Benz. We're going to lean into it and figure it out. But I want to understand.
Late today or starting soon. Oh Jesus! The fuck?
Oh!
okay, hold on just a quick second, sir.
Yep.
Okay, we got a couple things going on.
Yep.
Okay, your phone started breaking up. I got partial of the plate.
Yep, it is Edward David Sam. It looks like it is 305. Let me see, I'm trying to get, because they just keep hitting dirt. It is 302 at the end.
First I prove it's me by saying
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.